Hi, West Perry virtual families. I'm Mrs. Grove, and I'm here to show you some of the things you're going to need to do in order to do your math on both Schoology and on the Great Minds website. So I'm going to share my screen with you so I can walk you through all of the steps that you'll use in order to get to your lessons and your videos. So we're going to start off by looking at the website Clever, which is what first comes onto your computer when you first log into your Chromebook. So when you're logged into Clever, you'll see a couple different things. At the top, you might see your teacher pages. Down below, you're actually going to see that links right to the apps that you're going to need to do some of your lessons. So the first app you need to know is Schoology. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Schoology. And sometimes this is going to pop up and ask you if this is the right person. You're just going to go ahead and click Go to Schoology. So when that happens, all of your courses in Schoology will pop up. For you, that should probably just be your math. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that class and show you what you're going to see here in Schoology. So when you get in, you're going to see all the assignments that your teacher has given you. A couple things that you're going to see here, especially for math, would one be a workbook page that you're going to do on Schoology. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you click on, it might say Eureka Math Book page, it might say Eureka Worksheet, something like that. But what's going to happen is you're going to see a PDF pop up, and over here it's going to say Open Assignment with Cami. And we want to click that button because that's what's going to make it so that we can write on the assignment to submit it. So I'm going to go ahead and click that open. And you're going to see what happens is my worksheet pops right up. So this is the worksheet the teacher wants you to work on. Anywhere you see a gray box like this means that you can type an answer. So if I click in the box, it's going to let me type. And I want to show you one thing that might be, you might have trouble with. See how the word text box is lit up over here? If text box isn't lit, you won't be able to type in here. So if for some reason, when you open Cami, like eraser is open, it's not gonna let you type in the box. You need to make sure that text box is clicked in order to type. So I can go ahead and type my answer in here, say 25 is the answer, and I would just then go down to the next problem. And again, anywhere there's a gray box like this is where you're gonna type in your answers. We'll go through the whole thing. When you're totally done with your workbook page, there's a turn in button here at the top. When you click turn in, it's going to ask you one more time, like, are you sure you want to turn this in? We'll click turn in, and now it goes out to your teacher. So you see it said exporting, redirecting, and it's sending right out to your teacher. So you'll hit submit, and now it's there. When it says assignment submitted over here, that means your teacher now has access to your document. So that's how you do the workbook pages for math in Schoology. Now, something else a teacher might do for math is they might ask you to go to the Great Minds website and watch a video. So that's something you can do from Clever too. So I'm going to click back to my Clever portal there. And so just like we found the Schoology app, we're going to go up to where it says math, and we're going to click on Great Minds in Sync. This is where you'll find all your math resources for you. So one thing that it'll say in your assignment from your teacher, it might say, go to Module 1, Topic A, Lesson 2 to watch the video. So you can scroll up through here to the different grades. It should naturally pop up to the grade that you're in, but if it doesn't, you can click back and forth so you find the grade you're in. There's Module 1 or 2, so depending on whatever your teacher said to find your video. So we said Module 1. Then we've got the topic, so Topic A. And we'll scroll down, she said lesson 2, and there's the video you watch. So the video is what you'll watch first because that'll have all the instruction on how to do whatever's on the pages later. So when we log into Clever, when we first turn on our Chromebooks, we get to Clever, we first go to Schoology to see what our assignment is. If it tells us to go to Great Minds in Sync, we'll come right back over here to Clever, find this link, go right in there and find our video lesson. And then it'll probably tell us to go back to Schoology to do our worksheet. And the worksheet again, we'll hit open with Cami and then turn in when we're all finished. So those should be the steps in order for you to get all of your math done for the West Perry virtual program. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to your teacher for help. Thanks everybody, have a great